Yo, what's up everybody, it's Kim San KH, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're jumping headfirst into an adventure, taking you straight to the heart of Vietnam. We're talking stunning landscapes, ancient history, and a whole lot of culture. Buckle up because we're about to dive deep into one of Vietnam's hidden gems, Ninh Bình. We're talking towering limestone cliffs, emerald green rice paddies that seem to stretch forever, and rivers winding through it all like something out of a dream. So grab your backpack, your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore Ninh Bình with us. Alright guys, first up on our Ninh Bình adventure is Trang An. And let me tell you, this place is special. Imagine this, you're gliding along these crystal clear waterways, surrounded by towering limestone karsts covered in lush greenery. It's like something straight out of Jurassic Park, but, way more chill. As you navigate through the waterways, you'll encounter these incredible cave systems, each one more awe-inspiring than the last. Some are short and narrow, forcing you to duck your head, while others open up into these massive caverns with sunlight filtering in from above, creating these crazy light shows on the water. And the best part? You get to experience all of this from a traditional Vietnamese sampan boat, rowed by local women who know these waters like the back of their hands. They'll tell you stories, point out hidden details, and make sure you don't miss a single thing. Trust me, a boat trip through Trang An is an experience you won't forget. Alright, after that mind-blowing experience at Trang An, we thought it couldn't get any better, right? Wrong. Next up, we're taking you to Tam Cốc, which translates to 3 caves, and let me tell you, it lives up to its name. Imagine this. You're cruising down a peaceful river surrounded by nothing but endless rice paddies, the sun reflecting off the water, creating this mirror-like effect. It's so serene, so tranquil, you almost forget you're in the real world. And then, boom! You enter these massive caves, carved out by the river over thousands of years. The darkness envelops you, the air gets cool and damp, and you're surrounded by these incredible rock formations, each one more unique than the last. The first cave, Hang Ka, is the longest of the 3, and it's absolutely breathtaking. The second Hang Hai is known for its high ceiling and the bats that call it home, and the third Hang Ba is the shortest, but it has this incredible natural light show created by the sunlight filtering in from above. Now, here's the kicker. The boats in Tam Cốc are rowed by their feet. Yeah, you heard that right. These local rowers use their incredible leg strength to navigate the boats through the narrow waterways and caves. Tam Cốc is a truly unforgettable experience. Alright guys, get ready to have your minds blown again because we're about to enter a whole other level of epicness. We're talking about Bai Dinh Pagoda, the largest Buddhist temple complex in Southeast Asia. This place is massive, sprawling over 500 acres with towering pagodas, intricate statues, and a sense of peace and tranquility that just washes over you as soon as you step foot on the grounds. As you wander through the complex, you'll encounter giant bronze bells, ornate temples filled with golden statues, and courtyards adorned with bonsai trees. Make sure to check out the main pagoda, which houses a giant bronze Buddha statue that weighs a whopping 100 tons. We're talking serious Buddha power here. And don't miss the bell tower, where you can ring the massive bell for good luck. We spent hours here, just exploring the different temples, soaking up the atmosphere, and marveling at the intricate details. Bai Dinh Pagoda is not just a temple complex, it's a journey into the heart of Vietnamese Buddhism. Alright guys, get ready to break a sweat because we're about to climb. We're talking about Mua Cave, and trust me, the view from the top is worth every step. So, the legend goes, the king used to come here to watch the dancing and singing performances, hence the name Mua Cave, which translates to dancing cave. But let's be real, the real star of the show here is the view. After conquering those 500 steps, you'll be rewarded with a panoramic vista of Tam Cốc that will absolutely blow your mind. We're talking emerald green rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see, the Ngo Dong River winding its way through the landscape, and those iconic limestone karsts jutting out from the earth like giant stone teeth. We're not gonna lie, those 500 steps are no joke. It's a bit of a workout, but trust us, the view from the top is worth every bead of sweat. It's one of those moments where you just have to stop, take a deep breath, and soak it all in. Alright guys, time to trade in those temples and pagodas for some good old-fashioned nature. We're heading deep into the heart of Cuc Phuong National Park, Vietnam's oldest national park, and a haven for biodiversity. We're talking dense jungle, towering trees, hidden waterfalls, and a whole lot of wildlife. One of the coolest things about Cuc Phuong is the ancient tree species that call this place home. We're talking trees that are over 1,000 years old, their massive trunks covered in moss and vines, their branches reaching up to the sky like giant arms. There are tons of hiking trails to explore, ranging from easy strolls to challenging treks. You can opt for a guided tour or grab a map and go off on your own adventure. It's a welcome escape from the hustle and bustle of city life and a chance to reconnect with the natural world. Alright, history buffs, this one's for you. We're stepping back in time to the 10th century, to the ancient capital of Vietnam, Hoa Lư. This place is steeped in history, and you can practically feel the echoes of the past as you wander through the ancient temples and ruins. Now, Hoa Lư was the capital of Vietnam for a whopping 42 years, from 968 to 1010 AD. Though much of the original city is in ruins, you can still visit the temples dedicated to the Dinh and Le dynasties, the two ruling families who called Hoa Lư home. It's a humbling experience to walk in their footsteps and witness firsthand the legacy they left behind. Alright guys, get ready for some serious peace and quiet because we're heading to Van Long Nature Reserve, a hidden gem in Ninh Bình that's often overlooked by tourists. Imagine this. You're gliding silently through a lagoon on a traditional bamboo boat surrounded by nothing but towering limestone karsts, emerald green rice paddies, and the sounds of nature. Van Long is home to a ton of wildlife, including the endangered Delacour's langur, a type of primate found only in this region of Vietnam. Keep your eyes peeled, and you might just catch a glimpse of these elusive creatures swinging through the trees. But even if you don't spot any langurs, the scenery alone is worth the trip. We spent hours here, just drifting along the lagoon, soaking up the peace and quiet, and marveling at the beauty of nature. It's the perfect place to escape the crowds, reconnect with yourself, and experience a different side of Vietnam. Alright guys, get ready for a visual treat because we're about to visit a church that's unlike any other you've ever seen. We're talking about Phat Diem Cathedral, a stunning example of Vietnamese architecture with a unique blend of European influences. Built in the late 19th century, Phat Diem Cathedral is a unique blend of Vietnamese and European architectural styles. You'll see elements of traditional pagodas, French Gothic cathedrals, and even Chinese temples, all seamlessly blended together. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior, with its high vaulted ceilings, ornate altars, and beautiful stained glass windows. Even if you're not religious, you can't help but be moved by the beauty and serenity of this place. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places, and that sometimes, the best things in life are a fusion of different cultures and styles. Alright bird lovers, this one's for you. We're heading to Thung Nam Bird Garden, a haven for over 40 species of birds, all living in their natural habitat. Get ready to be serenaded by a symphony of chirps, tweets, and calls as we explore this avian paradise. As you wander through the gardens, you'll encounter herons, storks, egrets, and even kingfishers, all going about their daily business. The best time to visit is late afternoon when the birds return to the gardens to roost for the night. But Thung Nam isn't just about birds. You can also explore the limestone caves, take a boat trip through the mangroves, or simply relax by the lake and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the importance of protecting these precious ecosystems. Alright guys, after all that exploring, it's time to relax and rejuvenate those tired muscles. And what better way to do that than with a visit to Ken Ga Hot Springs? Nestled in the heart of the countryside, Ken Ga offers a unique hot spring experience. Imagine this, you're soaking in a steaming hot pool of mineral-rich water, the stress and tension melting away from your body as you gaze out at the peaceful countryside. The hot springs here are also said to have therapeutic benefits, helping to relieve muscle pain, improve circulation, and even boost your skin health. So go ahead, soak a little longer, your body will thank you for it. We spent a full afternoon here, soaking in the hot springs, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere, and just letting all our worries melt away. It's the perfect way to end your Ninh Bình adventure and leave feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the world. And there you have it guys, our epic adventure through Ninh Bình. From ancient temples and towering limestone karsts to peaceful rivers and hidden caves, this place has it all. We hope this video has inspired you to add Ninh Bình to your travel bucket list. Trust us, it's an experience you won't forget. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.